Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box, and here you can see this is assay, this theme. When I want to download this, I'm going to check out this live demo and see this is a very nice theme. And what is the problem behind it in this theme? When we upload to our WPM's local server, okay, choose this file, see this is almost a G file, then install it. This session expire because lots of times try to another time. So go to dashboard, and here just theme, and just add another upload, and just try to upload the zip file. This is zip file. Always upload everything just in zip file when you are using this. This is the error what I'm discussing about. And WordPress, go to this wamp server, this is, and you need to fix this php.in. so go to this php.in, and here two things you need to change: the maximum upload, and here I will give it to description box. So what you need to do, just dismiss this one. It's my mail notifications. Here you can see this is the problem. You can copy from this, upload underscore max underscore the file size. Okay, so here control F and paste it. This find, you can this you have to change this things. Okay, so always remember this upload underscore max up underscore file size. So here default value is 2 MB, so you need to increase this one, and you need to increase another things, and that's it enough. And always remember here have some tricky part. You need to double this things. You can understand clearly when I'm showing you with the help of calculator. So I'm just open this cal c. This is a calculator. Okay, this calculator. If you here I'm going to change the value, so I need 128. Okay, 128 MB. Here you need to put this 120 MB, just, and there's a double up 64 MB. So always remember this. You and this is the post underscore max. I will definitely give you all of these things to your description box. Please check this description box. And here I need to fix this. I think that the parameter I'm writing here, it's wrong. So you need to write here post underscore, and this is here max. Then you need to put this the size here, and 64. Okay, and always remember this, double up your size and put the maximum size for the first one. Okay, so here 64, and then save. Okay, save everything, save. Okay, here you can see the 64, and once more save. And after saving, you should restart your server, your local server. Okay, so I'm just save here. I'm just go to this wamp server. Okay, restart everything, and now you can see this, refresh this one, and now you can see this magic is automatically installed. Okay, so here it is the trick. You can exceed your maximum upload size. Okay, when you are using the local server. Okay, if you think this video is helpful for you, please give me a like button, and thank you very much for watching. And this is the art gallery. I'm going to use this theme here. See, this is Zoom. Okay, Zoom plugin install. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.